The dark web is more than just a buzzword. It's a hidden network. Let's explore the reality of the dark web and how to navigate it safely. Unlike surface web and deep web, the dark web lives on specialized networks. To enter the dark web safely, start with the right tools and precautions. Begin by installing the official Tor browser from the Tor project website. Always verify the download's digital signature before installing. Security is paramount when accessing the dark web. Immediately after launching Tor, raise your security level to the highest setting. This disables JavaScript and media that can leak identifying information. Before you browse, ensure you've taken all necessary security measures. Disconnect from personal accounts and enable a VPN on your device. Treat each dark web session as if you're walking into unknown territory. Be wary of sensational promises. Scam sites abound on the dark web. Legitimate services maintain a professional design and reasonable offers. Look for PGP keys for verification and reasonable offers. When conducting transactions, extra care is needed to ensure security. Use privacy coins like Monero. Create a fresh wallet. Test a small amount first, confirm the receipt, then proceed with larger transfers. When you're finished, it's crucial to thoroughly clean up your system. Close Tor, flush your DNS cache, and delete temporary files. Reboot your system, returning it to a clean state and removing any traces of your session. Let's go over the essential points to remember for safe dark web navigation. Use Tor exclusively. Lock your security to the highest setting and rely only on trusted directories. Stay aware, stay safe, and continue to educate yourself on security best practices. Subscribe for more practical security guides.